Have you ever wondered what ties together the gleaming allure of silver and the captivating charm of gold? These two precious metals, with their timeless appeal, have been at the heart of human history, shaping economies and sparking wars. Yet, beneath their shiny exteriors, they share a complex, intertwined relationship that goes beyond their shared status as precious metals. Silver and gold, though both precious, differ significantly in their value. Gold, with its radiant luster, has always been a symbol of wealth and power, commanding a higher price than silver. The value of gold is also more stable, making it a preferred choice for investors seeking to hedge against economic uncertainties. On the other hand, silver, often referred to as the poor man's gold, is more affordable. Despite its lower price, silver has a volatile market, and its price can fluctuate dramatically. This volatility can be a double-edged sword, bringing both potential for high returns and high risks. Rarity is another factor that plays into the relationship between these two metals. Gold is rarer than silver, contributing to its higher value. It's estimated that for every ounce of gold mined, 9 ounces of silver are extracted. This abundance of silver, however, doesn't diminish its appeal. Instead, it makes silver more accessible and practical for everyday use. And speaking of usage, both metals have their unique applications. Gold, due to its durability and resistance to corrosion, is widely used in jewelry and electronics. Silver, while also used in jewelry, has a broader range of applications due to its superior conductivity. It's used in solar panels, batteries, and even in the medical field for its antimicrobial properties. So, what can we glean from this exploration? Silver and gold, while sharing the stage as precious metals, have distinct characteristics that set them apart. Their value, rarity, and uses are intrinsically tied to their appeal and their roles in our society. Gold, with its high value, rarity, and unique properties, is a symbol of wealth and stability. Silver, while more abundant and volatile, offers affordability and versatility in its uses. Together, they paint a rich tapestry of our relationship with precious metals, a relationship that has shaped and will continue to shape economies and societies around the world. Indeed, the allure of silver and gold is more than skin deep, and their relationship is a fascinating dance of economics, science, and human history.